To set up screen lock on Samsung Galaxy F07, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to select the lock screen. Now if you open it, navigate to the screen lock and biometrics, and from here you'll be able to enter your password that you want to use to unlock your phone. Either PIN, password or pattern, swipe, and none offer no security obviously. So if we go for the PIN right here, we'll need to enter our password that we want to use, and then we need to confirm it. And finally, our PIN password, or whichever password you selected, will be set for your phone. The next step is to adjust lock screen notifications. You can enable or disable them and then click on done. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.